Hello from Slovenia again. uh, if you remembered, I did one with black, red and gold, and today I will do just with black, cadmium red, my pearl white that I mix with my titanium white with my pearl medium, and this is pearl red. I mixed my cadmium red with this pearl red from Amsterdam. It's just it's not red, so and I think that and with which one I want to start. But I don't want to have white next on the outside. So maybe I will use metallic silver too. So I will start with this cadmium red. And I will do this silver next, metallic silver. It's a very bright silver, so it's dried. It dried almost like white. And next will be my black. My pearl red. And pearl white. And I don't know if this is okay because I have two pearls here, one to another. I think that I will just go with this red here again. I don't know. Let's see. I will just spray my paper towel. and I will try to place it down as good as I could, and I will start from this middle part. I hope that I will not get much pink, but you never know. I didn't do this okay. I didn't lift my paper towel okay, and I didn't get pink, so I'm happy with it. But I don't know if I like it or not. This part here and this part here bothers me. I was hoping for a little different result, but it's kind of okay. I didn't use this for red yet, so I don't know how this will dry. So I will just add a little black paint here because I really don't like this part. and I think that I will add it here too, because I like this red around, but I think that this will be better. I'm just not quite happy with this center neither, but I don't know, sometimes if you turn it other way, but I kind of like it this way. We will see how this will dry, this pearl red mixed with cadmium red. I'm curious how this will be. I really don't know if I like this one. I was hoping for more red, and I almost lost it. Maybe I should use just this cadmium red, black and white without this pearl one, but I don't know. We will see how this will dry. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye!